Kalymnos and Leros. The latter is linked to it through a series of islets. Kalymnos lies between 2 and 5 hours away by sea from Rhodes. In 2011 the island had a population of 16,001, making it the third most populous island of the Dodecanese, after Kos and Rhodes. It is known in Greece for the affluence of much of its population, and also stands as both the wealthiest member of the Dodecanese and one of the wealthiest Greek islands overall. The municipality of Kalymnos, which includes the populated offshore islands of Sirimios and Plati, as well as several uninhabited islets, has a combined land area of 134.544 square kilometers and a total population of 16,179 inhabitants. The island is known as Kalino in Italian and Kalimli or Kelimes in Turkish. The island is roughly rectangular in shape, with a length of 21 kilometers. Moreover, on the north side there is a peninsula which stretches in a northwest direction. Kalymnos is mostly mountainous with complicated topography. There are 3 main chains going from WNW to Asa, and a fourth which extends NW the length of the peninsula. The coastline is very irregular, with many sheltered coves. There are some springs, one among them being thermal. The soil is mainly limestone-based, but in the valleys there is a compact bank of volcanic tuff, the relic of an ancient volcano, located in Vigils, between the villages of Murtis and Cantuni. The island is mainly barren, except for the 2 fertile valleys of Vathis and Podar, where olives, oranges and wines are grown. There is also an ostrich farm in Argos, near the airport. Earthquakes are a frequent occurrence around Kalymnos, a fact that is connected with the volcanoes in surrounding islands. The last earthquake occurred was the 2017 Aegean Sea earthquake with a magnitude of 6.7 MW, which injured 2 people in Kalymnos. Kalymnos is neighbored by the small island of Telendos, which was once part of Kalymnos, but split off after a major earthquake in 554 AD and is now separated from Kalymnos by a channel of water. Between Kalymnos and Kos lies the islet of Sirimios, which is inhabited and, with an area of 11 square kilometers, is one of the largest of the lesser islands of the Dodecanese. Near Sirimios lies the islet of Plati, and about 5 kilometers to the north lies the small islet of Kalolymnos. Inhabited originally by Carians, in antiquity Kalymnos depended on Kos, and followed its history. The island's Hellenistic temple of Apollo was excavated by the British archaeologist Charles Newton. In the 19th century, many of the finds he made, including important epigraphic inscriptions, are in the British Museum's collection. In the Middle Ages it was under the influence of the Byzantine Empire, and during the 13th century it was used by the Venetian Republic as a naval base. In 1310 it came under the control of the Knights of Rhodes, and later was often attacked by the Ottomans, who eventually conquered it in 1522. Unlike Rhodes and Kos, during the Ottoman period there was no Turkish immigration to Kalymnos. According to the Ottoman General Census of 1881 -1893, the Khazar of Kalymnos had a total population of 9,716, consisting of 9,482 Greeks, 64 Muslims and 170 foreign citizens. On May 12, 1912, during the Italo-Turkish War, Kalymnos was occupied by Italian sailors of the Regia Marina. Italy took control of the island along with other islands of the Dodecanese until 1947, when the Dodecanese were finally united with mainland Greece, as part of the modern Greek state. The majority of Kalymnians are Orthodox Christians. The island belongs to that small part of Greece that does not depend on the Church of Greece, but rather on the Ecumenical Patriarchate of Constantinople based in Istanbul, Turkey. Kalymnos belongs to the metropolis of Leros, Kalymnos and Astipalaya. Kalymnos is known and billed as the Sponge Divers Island. Sponge diving has long been a common occupation on Kalymnos, and sponges were the main source of income of Kalymnians, bringing wealth to the island and making it famous throughout the Mediterranean. The Kalymnians harvested sponges from the seabed as close as Sirimios or as far as North Africa. Early diving was done without equipment, using a harpoon. Spongers are still fished individually, by hand. The Greek sponge trade was centered close in the Dodecanese, featuring Kalymnos until mid-80s, when a disease hit the eastern Mediterranean, destroying a great number of sponges and damaging the sponge fishing industry as a result. Today, Kalymnos faces a lack of spongers due to the outbreak of a disease which has decimated sponge crops. An annual celebration, Sponge Week, occurs a week after Easter to honor this Kalymnian gold. Much has been written, sung and filmed about the legendary courage and recklessness of the sponge divers themselves. Kalymnos is a popular rock climbing and bouldering location with more than 3,000 climbing routes set in the limestone rock of the island and a climate that allow